Hello everyone and hello YouTube. I'm finally back on YouTube after a pretty long break. It's actually almost 1.5 years of me being inactive. So I've been learning, working and quietly watching the data world evolve and things have changed pretty fast. Especially with AI tools making huge wave in analytics, there's never been more such exciting time to be a data analyst in 2025. And I realized if you're already in this field or planning to get into this, you really can't afford to ignore these AI tools. So in this video, I'll be sharing 5 such AI tools that will save your hours, boost your productivity, and might even make you look like a rock star at work. So let's dive in. Let's start with the most obvious tool, which is ChatGPT. Here, I'm not talking about asking it some random questions you post there. I'm talking about using it as your personal analyst. So, let's say you are into some analytics role, and here's what I mean. Let's say you're stuck in some SQL writing or SQL query. Ask ChatGPT. You need some quick summary of your Excel sheet, paste it there, and ask for insights. Now, let's say you need some Python code to automate a repetitive task. Boom, it's done in seconds. It's like your personal assistant, tutor, and debugger all rolled into one. And what's cooler, you can create custom GPTs tailored to your industry. For example, you are in sales, GPT can understand your terms and your reports. If you're not using this set, you're doing twice the work for half the output. Tool 2 is something we all have used, but it's completely transformed in 2025. It's Microsoft Excel now with a Copilot built in. You don't need to remember complicated VLOOKUPs, pivot tables, or even sum ifs anymore. Just ask in plain English. Create a trend line for revenue by month, or you could also write highlight duplicate values in column B or A. So Copilot understands your intention and builds the formula charts or summarizes for you. It's like having an Excel wizard sitting next to you who will never roll their eyes when you forgot how you used your index match. Now, if Excel is great, Power BI is where the magic really happens. Power BI in 2025 now has built in Copilot and AI powered visuals. So instead of writing the long DAX measures, you can just simply say, show me a top performing regions by profit margin, or build a dashboard for Q1 and Q2 comparison. And Power BI figures it out. Plus, the new visuals like Smart Narrative automatically generates a summarized text like you can call it as sales increased by 12% in Southeast Asia region, but profit dropped by 6% in West. So these aren't just visuals, they are insights you can present directly to leadership. Now, we don't deal with data in numbers, right? If you deal with survey responses or customer reviews or chat logs, you know how hard it is to analyze the textual data. That's where the MonkeyLearn comes in. It's an AI powered tool that does sentiment analysis, text classification, or keyword extraction. Like, for example, is the feedback positive or negative, and what are the people talking about the most? And here's the best part, you don't need to know Python or NLP libraries. Just paste in your data and boom, visual results you can even connect to Power BI. And finally, a tool that saves my time every week. It's Notion AI or Claude AI if you prefer. These tools help you handle the boring but necessary stuff like writing a documentation, creating meeting summaries, or drafting stakeholder updates, or even writing SOPs or process checklists. For example, if you paste a 5 paragraph brief and it gives you an executive summary, action items, and even suggested next steps. So it doesn't just save time, it makes you look super polished in front of your team. So those were my top 5 AI tools every data analyst should start using in 2025. And trust me, this is just a beginning. I've got a lot more lined of tools, tutorials, project ideas, and career tips to help you grow fast in this data world. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and give it a like. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you want a detailed video on how to actually use any of such AI tools step by step, just drop the suggestion in comments. Until then, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.